Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can use a filter from a video on TikTok. So let's find out some video with some effect. Let's go to feed page. Okay, in my feed page this is a TikTok video having a effect. So as you can see on the left corner of the screen, it's a effect icon with yellow. You just have to tap there. The effect name is also written there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you have to tap on try this effect to use the effect likewise. Okay, let me show you some more example. Let's go to discover. Let's search for filter. Okay, these are some video might be having some filters. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so this video is using catch me filter. Just tap there on the effect icon. Okay, now here in this effect page, tap on the try effect on the bottom of the screen. Okay, wait for it. Yeah, got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can use a effect from a video in TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.